Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing a test. I saw a few other YouTubers. They were planting onions, and this is not the typical time to plant them, but I'm going to do a test. So normally in my zone, I'm in Southern Virginia, says February through April. Well, this is October. So I am going to direct sow these onion seeds in my little test box here. And I'm going to put it right over here. This gets a lot of sun. So I'm going to get ready and do this test to see if this will work. So I've got some cardboard here and I'm just going to lay this out right here, this little spot, like so. And I got this little expert gardener thing I got from Walmart, which is not worth the money. I think it was like $85. It's actually longer than this, but I broke it down into a smaller box here because I'm just doing a test just to see if this will work. So I've got my cardboard down first and I'm going to go get some soil. Alright, so here we are. I've got some soil here that I'm going to recondition before I put it in here. And once again, I am going to plant these seeds. This is a test. And this is the stuff that I'm using to recondition my soil. Earthworm castings is always good. And then I got my fertilizer here. So I'm just going to mix this on in. I've already mixed some of it in here, but for video purposes, oh, watch the dust. For video purposes, I'll mix some more in here. So just gonna mix this on in here and recondition. Alright, so I've got my cardboard down at the bottom. If this works, I am going to definitely do this next year, but of course on a bigger scale. That's why I'm just using this small one here, just a test. And I believe it says it takes 115 days for these to be ready. So I've grown them this past spring, and they weren't so big. So, but I have seeds left over, so I'm going to use these seeds up. So I'm just going to fill this on up, and then I'll sow the seeds. Alright, so I got some dirt in here, and what I'm going to do is wet it up a little bit before I put my seeds in here. I'm going to wet the soil up, and I'm going to put some more soil in here and mix it in. Now, last year when I did my onions, I started them in the house. So this is I'm curious to see how this is going to work, if it works. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a little more what you call this, plant food. the old Farmer's Almanac. Caught it on sale at Tractor Supply. And a little more earthworm castings. Gotta get this soil right. And I'm gonna just spread it around in here. You gotta make sure the soil is right. This is my test unit here. Alright. Now I'm gonna get ready to sow these seeds. So I'm just gonna shallow. Let's see here. I like to get 1, 2. Let's see how many I can get in here. Let's see if I do it this way. 1, 2. Looking like 3 rows, because I don't want them to, they gotta have room. So we'll do 3 rows. Shallow. Alright, and then we're going to take these little seeds here. And I'm going to over sow, just to see if they germinate. I don't know, but I'll thin them out. Well, they ain't got but a few left, so I'll just throw them in somewhere, maybe right here. All right, and then I'm just going to cover them all up. Give it a good watering. Mark this on my calendar. There's some good soil here, compost, a little bit of everything in here. All right, just water her down and see what she do. Hopefully this will work. And I will keep you guys posted on the results, which it says 115 days, so it'll probably be, I guess, maybe in February sometime, if this works. Give it a good soaking. You got to get these seeds germinating. Nice sunny spot, at least 6 hours a day here in the winter. But summer, oh, you're getting 12 plus hours right here. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I will keep you updated. See you next time.